the BB&T Atlanta Open. You're going to see great tennis, Buck, and there are going to be plenty of ladies in the stands. So, and we're here at the Champions Club, which is a good place to hang out while you beat the heat and enjoy some of the great events down here at the BB&T Atlanta Open. Buck brought us John Isner a little bit earlier on in the show, and we're glad to have with us from Ortho Atlanta, our neighbors over in Battery, Atlanta. Dr. Dalal joins us, and Dr. Dalal, I mean, an event like this, you have to be on site, right, for this. The official, you're officially here representing Ortho Atlanta at the BB&T Atlanta Open, correct?
That's correct.
So you have to be here in case someone, what could happen that they need your services immediately? It doesn't have to be cataclysmic, right?
No, not at all. Typically, when a player has a medical question or an issue, they'll call for the physio or the trainer out. And the trainer will evaluate the player, and then will decide if it needs to be taken up to the next level. Typically, I'll come out and do a evaluation and give a recommendation to the player as far as what we should do next for the treatment.
Well, the way some of these guys are serving it here, I would think the shoulder probably needs massaging occasionally.
Yes, our physios are good with shoulder massage. Yes, sir.
Look, there's so many things that go down in Atlanta. And I know that Ortho Atlanta all over the Atlanta area with so many offices and so many physicians ready to help. But we've got such a tennis community.
We do.
And they flock to this event.
It's a great event.
Yeah, so I bet a lot of them are walking around with aches and pains, though. Baloo's got some from his playing days of college football, that he still complains about from time to time.
Actually, it was the rotator cuff from baseball.
Comes more from baseball.
So we see a lot of shoulder injuries, elbow injuries in tennis. But probably the most common injuries we'll see are lower extremity as well, because you do a lot of running. Right? People usually think with just stroking the racket, and a lot of calf strain, groin pulls, hamstring, and so it's very important to stretch before you play and stretch afterwards so you can avoid those overuse type injuries.
Doc, do you play tennis? How do you get your exercise?
Used to play tennis, not so much anymore. I do a lot of jogging, running after my 3 little girls.
That'll
that keeps
keep
me
you
in
busy.
shape. That keeps me busy, yes, sir.
Now, so you're saying to the guy listening to the audience right now, let's say some of the things you just talked about are things that are nagging injuries for them in our listening audience. Would you suggest do you call Ortho Atlanta and say, I want to come in for an evaluation? Just have somebody check it out?
Absolutely, because most of the time we treat patients non-operatively, and it's usually a time to just learn about the body and what the injury is and what's exacerbating the pain, trying to avoid certain things. We're very keen on keeping patients in the game and able to enjoy playing tennis and soccer or Zumba, whatever they like to do, but we give them some pointers on certain things that can avoid that overuse injury and keep them playing.
With all the youth sports, too. I mean, Atlanta, a hotbed for that.
We're hydrating now in football.
And you better hydrate the night before, I would suggest.
The high humidity will kill you right now. I think heat index has been a big deal. In fact, for you guys to beat the heat, we brought some ice towels for you. So you'll see some players.
Yeah, there we go.
You'll see some players on the sidelines here putting on some Ortho Atlanta ice towels to keep cool. But the high humidity will really get to you. And so stay hydrated. I think that'll keep you from getting those heat cramps. But that's difficult right now in the Atlanta summer.
So you have a booth in the partner pavilion during the tournament, and you can participate in the coin toss too. You guys be out there doing that, and you're the presenting sponsor for the Friday night ball toss. And one lucky winner is going to receive a $1,000 gift card.
That's right.
$1,000.
That's right. It's burning a hole in my pocket right now.
You have it. So it's like the price is right. It's like 2 carry. You have full cash. That's good. That works out well. Hey, everybody needs to check out Ortho Atlanta. And now you operate out of what office normally?
I'm at our Johns Creek location in Lawrenceville in Gwinnett County.
So many great places. 14 offices, 39 physicians. So you got to check out our friends at Ortho Atlanta. Good job, Doc.
Thank you so much for having me
Enjoy
on.
the rest of the tournament.
Thank you.
As we appreciate it. Here from our friends at Ortho Atlanta, it is a fantastic time. 2 o'clock hour of Buck and Kincade, brought to you by our friends at Superior Plumbing. And we appreciate Superior Plumbing for their fine patronage during the 2 o'clock hour of Buck and Kincade. Baloo's putting on the cold towel already, which is nice.
This feels good.
Really?
Yeah.
It's already.
It's a little warm out there today.
Okay, well, it is. I mean, it's actually a little warm in here. I would expect the air conditioning to be a little bit better. Oh, that really does.
Well, we are on the second floor, so the heat
I like
rises.
This is nice. Yeah, that does. That feels really, really cool. What is in this towel?
Ice.
Okay, I need this at Disney World. Standing in lines at Disney World, I could really rock the Ortho Atlanta neck towel.
You don't have one of these?
No, I had that cheap little one.
We got about 10 of them hanging up in the washer and dryer area.
No, I've got that little blue towel that Dwayne Wade told me and Serena Williams told me was going to keep me cool. And I got to tell you, that's a load of garbage. That is a load of garbage. The first couple times.
Well, you got to keep putting it back in the cooler.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Is that who's walking around with a cooler?
It's not going to last for 12 hours.
It doesn't even work for 20 minutes when you're down there in Orlando. So you got to check that out. We'll use that next time. Thanks for Dr. Dalal joining us here.